you end up dumping your money in the market by losing it, and you'll really suffer a lot psychologically. Some people even die. I've seen like as in online reports about people who died because they've lost some amount of money in the market. And this normally happens when you have no skills of trading. Yeah, but if you have skills of trading, you can start with small amounts and then you advance to, and then you scale to bigger amount of money, and eventually you will enjoy trading and also enjoy your money. Therefore, without wasting a lot of time, let us jump in the chat and we see really how I have been trading, and also how I have been analyzing the chart